1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. It's been featured in a few films and a few music videos in its time. When we got it, this was already on it. It's got aftermarket duals with a H-pipe right there. Then what we did is took all this contraption off because it was like just choking it, as you guys can see right there and there. There's tailpipes too. I don't know where they're at, but and we replaced it with two MAGNAFLOW mufflers, 14-inch. The link is in the description if you guys want them. And 2¼ tailpipes, really nicely, cleanly done. You want to stay as close as to factory as possible. Right there and right there. Bent over the axle, rear axle, into its factory tips, right there and right there. Came out really pretty, really nice. A lot better than all those bends that didn't need to be there in the first place. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it.
Look, all right,